What up?
How you feeling? We had to get a coffee. We haven't slept.
Yeah, we have no sleep in us, but we got a lot of caffeine. Yeah, this is
It's actually brighter than
way brighter. Yeah, we were worried it was gonna get a little dark. But so last time we came here, there was a pop-up that was in here, and they put a wall over this because they didn't like this thing.
But this book is our vibe, all the plants.
It's literally a vibe.
And the natural lighting, you can see a lot.
So
this is the book installation with the hanging plant.
This might
Or
be.
the hanging plant.
Yeah, this needs to be that.
Yeah. 2 or 3 racks here.
Okay, yo.
1 or 2 in the middle.
Yo. 1, 2, 3 standing drums.
Yeah, that's right.
Right in the center, plants and bricks, and then
This
just like
whole
2.
shit, like plants on every shelf. Just fucking green garden. The secret garden of Webster.
Yeah, like we need to find. We should go to some like
We'll look on
antique
Facebook
shops and
Marketplace,
shit too,
Yeah.
and just see if we find anything. Like maybe we pick a color. We could do the Webster pink, but we could also
I
do
think
like
brown
another.
and like golds.
Yeah, I was
They have
gonna
a
say.
ton of gold actually.
Also a green. To
Yeah,
go with
a
a lot of
deep
this,
green. Yeah.
a deep green or different shades of green of like.
I think,
would go
like,
with the plants, but it would.
Earth tones, like neutrals, like browns and creams, or golds.
Yeah.
And like brassy, like brass shit would look good in here too. The pink is. Can I buy this?
No.
Yo, where the rats at?
We're actually only taking one of them right this second, and then we're gonna
come back
for the other ones with like a car or a truck.
Okay, cool. Oh god, which small one? The liquid?
Yeah, the one with the liquid.
Yeah.
That's the one we need.
Real talk, real quick, Pete. This is fucking awesome.
Thank you so much for everything. You're awesome. Appreciate it. No, Best Western, you can pay to just save your luggage for a couple hours.
6 big ones.
11. Yeah, all together. We need parts, please.
Gotta get 3 of these hoes.
Oh, 4 pairs.
Velcro?
What are we grabbing again?
The tarp.
Paintbrushes and a tarp, right?
Can you just tell them the times? 7 to 9.
What's going on? What are we doing?
About to go down. So last time we did Houston, we made these sculptures for Webster that we put in the windows, and we shipped them there. Statues are arriving 3 days late. They arrived. Dude, thank God. And at least I got here early too. They're all like distressed from being shipped.
Malleable.
This time we thought smarter and we decided to make the sculptures here. So we're prepping because it gets super sticky. We have to use epoxy to mold fabric. So yeah, it gets really crazy. So right now we're setting up to make these sculptures for the event. We're creating art. Big check. Tony Soprano.
I'm walking in.
Still getting 19 prescriptions.
Here's the
With a little bitty rock and a little bit of rap. That with a little Remy Knack and a little shitty Mac and a little tweet that.
Here we go again. Comment passed on this beat, I made it to a jam. Now everything I've got, maybe everything I am. Here we go again.
Airbnb host just messaged me.
What'd they say?
Like, I'm already staying.
Yeah, this is gonna be gas. Just so you guys know.
Things and you just do it, but yeah.
Is this where we walk down first?
No.
No, I don't think so. Are these bottles? Alright, he wants to try it together.
Oh wow. Gas?
Talk.
That's good.